제가저씨 족발? Do you know that?
I like the name anyways, right? 제가저씨 족발. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. It's like a branch?
Yes.
Well, what's so special about that? What's the difference?
There's no difference.
Nothing special?
Yeah, just delicious.
The original ones, or do you usually order that spiced ones?
I like half and half.
There's one 족발 restaurant that I love. I've been to many 족발 places, but that one is so
So good.
like this is so good that I can't even compare with others.
Oh.
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 But the original itself is very different, so tender. They're very famous. 오목집, do you know?
목집 너무.
목동.
Yeah, 오목집, you know that?
Yeah, I like that.
Crazy, they're really good. Oh my god.
I have to go there.
Yeah, you have to. They have different businesses too, right? 2층집.
예, 2층 집.
And then-
예, 교대.
When I taste it, I think I can tell. When I taste it, I think I can tell. When I taste it, I think I can tell. When I taste it, I think I can tell. I can't even tell the taste. It comes with soup, and then they put some crab in it, and then it's really good. Come with 이거 되게 좋거든요. Come with이 뭐랑 같이 나온다를 come with으로 써요. 뭐랑 같이 나오니까 그렇죠. 외쳐볼까요? 뭐랑 같이 나오니까 What does 시작? What does it come with? 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 So usually Korean food usually come with kimchi all the time. Yeah. And some side dishes. Crazy side dishes. Do you usually have many side dishes at home? Do you usually have many side dishes at home? Do you usually have many side dishes at home? Do you usually have many side dishes at home?
Me too. One or two?
One or two?
Yeah.
Kimchi, including kimchi.
Yes.
Yes, kimchi. There was a joke, right? There was a joke that, do you know that joke? Like there was a conversation between like Japanese and Korean. And then like Koreans ask Japanese like, oh, you eat sushi a lot? They're like, oh yeah, we eat sushi a lot. Oh, so do you have it every day? And then they're like, no, right? But then they ask, okay, you don't eat kimchi every day, right? Then we eat kimchi every day. Ramen, right?
Yeah.
When we have some ramen, what is your recipe? What do you usually put in it? What do you usually put in it? What do you usually put in it? What do you usually put in it?
Last year, ramen was the best.
Yeah. I think until a couple of years ago, they were always the top.
Yeah, but maybe as far as I know, the ramen beat the ramen.
Yeah.
신라면's spicy is much
Spice.
spice.
양념이요? 아니면 매운 정도?
매운 정도.
That. Wait. Let's get it straight. Let's get it straight.
양념.
Right. Spice is 양념.
신라면's spicy level is much lower than before. I think.
Oh,
Yeah, but whenever I went to Europe or other countries, I bought 신라면.
Actually, I remember that I was having 신라면
Yeah.
in Canada for a very long time. My workers,
Yeah.
they were like Russians and then, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
And then during the lunchtime, we didn't know what to eat, so I said, "Oh, let's go for ramen." And then she was interested in this Korean thing,
Yeah.
so I made ramen. And then she was Russian, but we know that Russian can have some spicy food,
Yeah.
yeah, because it's cold. Up
Yeah. And also, 보글 도시락,
Yeah.
the ramen of doshira hit the Russia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I made her the ramen, and then when she had it, she was like, "Are you kidding me?" So she really thought that I was joking. 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 But I wasn't joking, right?
Yeah.
It's food that we eat. And she's like, "Are you kidding me?" Oh, so how do you make it? You use 신라면 now.
No, Oh yeah, first I put the sauce pot, soup.
Soup base.
Oh yeah, soup
Soup
base. Yeah, and flake. And I put the ramen.
Yeah.
And
Oh, you put soup base first?
yeah, because I think it makes the boil point
Higher. Like, what's the point of putting the boiling point higher?
I can make the ramen more tangled.
Oh, tangle.
Elastic.
Elastic. Yeah, chewy. I
Chili.
guess. Chewy.
Yeah,
Maybe you
chewy.
chewy.
I make my egg.
Yeah.
I make egg something. I make it means I make the I break the
you-
egg into the bowl
Okay.
and I
Crack an egg.
Oh yeah, and I put the sesame oil and with
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
yeah, just one or two, three drops.
Drops.
Yeah, and with peppers.
With pepper.
Yeah.
You are making 참깨라면.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I like that.
really?
Yeah.
It will
that is-
taste like that.
Yeah, I really like 참깨라면.
Okay. So you still have 신라면.
Yeah, 신라면. It's the loyalty.
Oh.
Yeah, me too. I think I usually eat 신라면. And when I lived alone, I was into 열라면.
Oh, yeah. Once I was.
Yes.
Once I was too.
It is
Spicier?
spicier than 신라면.
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
So I was into 열라면.
But if you want to talk about spicy level, there is 틈새라면.
Yeah, yes.
It's crazy spicy. I don't like it actually. Yeah. And then what is that? The 닭볶음면?
불닭볶음면.
불닭볶음면?
Yes, I
Do
love
you-
it.
Yeah. Why? I can't taste it. It's too spicy.
I don't like it, but sometimes it really make me want to have it.
Yeah. So what do you put in your ramen? So what do you put in your ramen? So what do you put in your ramen? So what do you put in your ramen?
I just put green onion.
Green onion.
Yeah, I like green onion. I don't like putting egg or
No egg even?
콩나물.
Oh, bean sprouts? You put bean sprouts? It's
No,
like
my
normal.
mom loves
Oh, okay.
putting
Okay.
beans. What? Beans.
Bean
콩나물.
sprouts? You said that, right? 2 seconds ago. Oh, 콩나물?
She
Oh,
says
yeah.
콩나물.
Oh, she said bean sprouts. Not even an egg. That's surprising. Not even an egg. That's surprising. Not even an egg. That's surprising. Because egg and green onion.
Yeah.
That's like the original
Yeah, reasonable.
Korean ramen, right? What about jjajangramen?